Hi and welcome. Unity has introduced a new pricing plan for Unity developers, and they have introduced a new fee called Runtime Fee. And developers all around the globe are not happy with it because it counts the number of installs and charges you based on that. So we at Vinix Studio have created a calculator for that, where you can just enter the Unity version, enter the lifetime installs and the monthly installs to know how much runtime fee Unity will be charging you. Before we go into the calculator and see how it works, I want to make two things very clear. One, there is no Unity Plus plan anymore. So if you are a Unity free user, you don't have to pay anything to Unity until you reach a revenue threshold of 200,000 US dollars. And if you're a Unity Plus user, you can renew your Unity Plus subscription for one more year. And you can also switch to Unity Pro plan at the same cost of Unity Plus for the next 1 year. The runtime fee is not applicable to all. So here are the conditions when runtime fee is applicable to you. If you are a Unity Plus or a Unity free plan user, then Unity will charge a runtime fee if you have made over 200,000 US dollars and the number of installs have crossed over 200,000. And if you're a Unity Pro or Unity Enterprise user, then the runtime fee will be applicable to you if you have made over 1 million US dollars in the past 12 months and you have 1 million lifetime installs. So the revenue numbers are for the past year and the install numbers are for lifetime. So this is just the eligibility criteria. Then Unity has a big chart for how much they will charge per install based on the number of installs you got last month. So we took this data and we created a calculator based on the demo calculation provided by Unity. So you can just go to this calculator and select the Unity version that you will be using, like Unity Personal or Unity Plus. So in my case, I'm using Unity Personal. And if your lifetime installs is over 200,000, so let's say it's 300,000. And last month I got 400 installs from Tier 1 and Tier 2 countries and 200 from Tier 3 countries. I'm not very sure what Unity means by standard fee countries and emerging markets. I'm guessing it is Tier 1 and Tier 2 for standard fee and Tier 3 countries for emerging markets. So once you enter all these data, you will get the runtime fee that you have to pay. So if you're going to have number of installs less than 200,000, then the runtime fee will go down to zero. So if you have even one install more than 200,000, then you will have to start paying the runtime fee. So in case of Unity Pro, this threshold goes to over 1 million. So if you have over 1 million installs, then based on your last monthly installs, you will have to pay the runtime fee. Generally, if you have a lifetime install of more than 1 million, then you will also have the monthly installs to be a bigger number. So you'll be paying more. So like in this case, you'll be paying 6,200 as the runtime fee. So that's it about Unity runtime fee. Let us know in the comments like what you feel about the Unity's new pricing plans and how you got affected by them. Thank you and see you in the next video.